Welcome back. Today we're going to do a little more work on the Mazda Rx-7 project car. We're going to start with changing out the fuel filter, and we're going to put in some new fresh gas as well as some premix, and then we'll see what else we can get done after that. Looks like we got the wrong part. Alright, since they gave us the wrong fuel filter, I'm going to start with putting in some premix. If you're new to rotaries, it's pretty common to put in some 2-cycle or other premix oil into the gasoline, and then that burns in the combustion cycle and helps lubricate the apex seals. Alright, I'm just starting with 4 ounces because we're only going to put in a couple gallons of gasoline, but we'll put more in when we actually fill up the tank once we get it running. Alright, so we went back to the parts store. We got the correct fuel filter now, so let's give it another try. Alright guys, that was our first attempt starting it, and with a little bit of starting fluid it started right up. So we're going to give it a try again. Woohoo! It started.
It runs somewhat.
Yeah, it probably has a lot of old crap built up in it, so I'm not surprised it's smoking like crazy. Alright guys, you just saw that we got the car started. I can't believe it. You saw what kind of a mess it was. Wiring, vacuum lines, like 15-year-old gas in this car. It's incredible. But it's not ready to drive yet. We've got a lot of work to do. There's no brakes at the moment. Got to make sure it actually runs steadily for more than 30 seconds or a minute. Make sure nothing overheats or is leaking. The rear diff needs new fluid. We're going to change the trans fluid. So I'm really excited. So come on back, subscribe, chasing the Apex if you want to see what happens next, and hopefully we'll get it out on the road soon.